Hello everybody, I'm Richard Holdener. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Speed Secrets. Today we're going to work with the guys from Comp Cams and we're going to go a little retro. We're going to take a look at nothing less than a Boss 302. That's right, not a late model Fox 5-liter 302 or even the original carbureted Windsor 302, but a Boss 302. So we're going to show you what happens when you upgrade the camshaft on that little Boss motor. After getting our little Boss 302 replica up on the dyno, we equipped it with a 750 CFM 4-barrel carburetor and a set of 1 7/8" long tube headers. After dialing in the air, fuel, and timing, our little Boss replica produced 373 horsepower at 6,700 RPM and 324 foot-pounds of torque at 4,300 RPM. Now that we've established the baseline with a stock cam, it's time for the swap.
Our replica started with a 2-bolt 5-liter block with forged 10.5-to-1 pistons and a set of factory Boss 302 heads. The Boss head featured big block Chevy size valves that helped produce impressive flow. The Boss was run with stamped steel rockers and 1 7/8" headers. We even found an original Boss 302 intake. Then got it running up on the dyno. Impressive power from our Boss replica. But now it was time for the Comp Cam. We also installed polylocks on the factory rockers. Then up on the dyno with the Comp Cam. The Comp Cam offered power gains everywhere.
Okay guys, the results are in. After installation of that 282S cam from Comp Cams and our little Boss 302 replica, the power output jumped from 373 horsepower and 324 foot-pounds of torque all the way up to 406 horsepower and 342 foot-pounds of torque. What we really liked about this cam swap is that new Comp Cam improved the power output everywhere from 3,000 all the way to 7,000 RPM. And it just goes to show you what a modern camshaft can do even in a legendary small block. I'm Richard Holdener. I want to thank the guys at Comp Cams. Join me next time on Speed Secrets.